Uh, First, we go to the UN Charter. It says all disputes between states must be settled by peaceful means, outlawing the use of force or the threat of force. So that is the rules-based international legal order. So what do? We can bring there are two disputes in the South China Sea: the maritime dispute, which was finally settled by the arbitral award of 2016, and the territorial dispute. These are separate. The territorial dispute, there is no international tribunal that has compulsory jurisdiction. If we bring China to the International Court of Justice, the ICC, International Court, ICJ cannot acquire jurisdiction unless China agrees to the arbitration. And China will never agree because China knows it will lose. But in the maritime dispute, there is UNCLOS, and China is a signatory. And under UNCLOS, the moment you become a signatory and you ratify, you bind yourself to compulsory arbitration for any dispute in the future. That's why we're able to bring China to arbitration. The tribunal said, even if China doesn't appeal, it is bound. The decision will be issued. So, ang problema natin, into territorial dispute, there is no court that can have compulsory jurisdiction. Your question is on the maritime, because you're referring to the actions of the Chinese Coast Guard. We will go now back to an arbitral tribunal, that China has destroyed our Coast Guard, bumped it, so we want damages. There is a remedy. We go to a court of justice. But that's the remedy under UNCLOS, and we are bound by that. We cannot. If you look at China, they are using something below armed force. They are not using. They will not fire a single shot, because if they fire a shot, that is a use of force, and that will trigger the Mutual Defense Treaty. We can only invoke the Mutual Defense Treaty if a third country makes an armed attack. If you just bump a vessel, that is not considered an armed attack. They have to use firearms, because in modern warfare, bumping is not an act of war. We have to use firearms. So, what should we do? My recommendation to the Philippine government is to go to an UNCLOS tribunal and get another arbitral award condemning China for their dangerous maneuvers and requiring China to pay damages. The world will support us. Yeah. The world supporting us because we have an arbitral award. It's the rule of law. They will follow that arbitral award. So we need another arbitral award. On top of that, 5 arbitral awards on top of other arbitral awards. That is where China is weak. Right now, almost all the naval powers in the world support us. So only China really. Even Russia is not saying the arbitral award is void. They've never said that. So the more arbitral awards you win, the more China will lose its claim. The guru of China is Bushido. He was the one who convinced the Chinese leadership that the 9-9 should not be a claim to islands only, it should be a claim to all the waters and resources within the lines. And he said recently, we have to prevent the Philippines from filing another arbitral award, an arbitral case. Because they know they will sink further. It will really bury further the 9-9. So that is what they dread the most, another arbitration case. Let's give them what they dread.
Amen. Another arbitration.